Okay, so here are our cutoffs from 2 stair treads. That's about $50 worth of oak. It could have been $20 worth of pine, right? But this is all we've got left. It all fits on a 8.5 by 11 sheet of yellow pad. And what we've got for results are our tray number 1, the top. We have the back and the front of that tray. We have the spreaders for that tray. And then I'm doing the glue up right now. It's still wet. That'll be the floor for that tray. Then we have tray number 2, which is where all that stuff is going to go. And then we have the 30-degree risers, 2 of those to get up to that tray. Then we have tray number 3, and that one we're going to use a piece of metal. I'll show you how we're going to do that. But then we also have the 2 vices, and again, I'll do these differently and normally. I just wanted to prove the point here on this thing, but for vices, I'm going to probably use some solid wood, but for right now, we're just going to keep on using those. So I got all that out of 2 stair treads, and again, the only scrap that we had from that whole process is that, and that's how accurate you'd want to make your cuts. Otherwise, you will start having a little shortcomings. Thanks much for watching.